Hi, I'm Garrett, Monster High designer.
Hi, I'm Andrew, I'm Monster High engineer, and we're part of the brains behind the cryptastic world of Monster High.
And we're going to show you how to take the catacombs from this
to this. Grab your instructions, and let's walk through the assembly one floor at a time.
First, lay out all the pieces just as you see on page 2 of the instructions. Let's start with the first floor. So a helpful tip is some of the pieces have letters and numbers on them, so you know that they go together. This one has a J and a 3, as does this one, so that way you know that they fit together. And so now we're going to show you how to put the first floor together. So we'll take the 2 bottom pieces, the back piece and the front piece, and we'll snap them together, just like that. Then we'll take the sidewall, and it snaps in right there. And then we take the back wall, and snap it in right at the back.
And we put together the Victor Labs back wall to the Victor Labs side wall. And then finally assemble this together. Put it as the elevator landing. That's the first floor.
And now we're going to move on to the second floor, where we'll first install the elevator post.
Click.
A helpful tip that we learned as we've put so many together is if you build the second floor on a table first and then assemble on it, it makes it a little bit easier. So we'll start by putting our dragon in. Again, all of them are labeled with a letter and number so you know the pieces go together. So we'll plug the dragon in. And then we plug in all of our columns into their corresponding parts. Andrew will finish it off with the other one. And now we have our second floor complete. A helpful tip is on the bottom, you see the round part here. It actually lines up with the little half circle here. And then you can snap the floor into place. And don't forget to put in the support for the second floor. It goes in right here.
Now we're ready to put together the elevator.
Here you go, Andrew.
Thanks, Garrett. So we just simply slide down the elevator all the way to the bottom.
So now we're going to put the top to the second floor on. And you'll notice there's slots here so that we can align with the posts on the second floor. So we push this up.
So we turn around the playset. Garrett will show you how to put together the chip cards.
So I grab one of these pins, I'll line up my chip art, and then I simply take one of the pins, and then I push it into the hole. And now we're ready for the top floor, where we'll take the table and we'll insert it in, so it slides all the way down, and into place.
And we put together the courtyard house, and click.
And don't forget to hang the chandelier from the hook at the bottom. And now that you have your stairs together, we're ready to attach them to the rest of the catacombs. So we'll start down at the bottom, where we'll snap it into place.
And click.
And you're done. Now that you have your catacombs put together, we can show you all the freaky fab features inside of it. So in order to get down into the catacombs, of course, first you can take the elevator down. Once you're down in the catacombs, you can reveal the secret creatures living inside there by spinning the table up top. Of course, we have to make secret entrances too, so when you spin the dragon around, Draki Becca makes her entrance into the catacombs. You can also take the stairs down and fly your way down like Serena does. And of course, to get into the secret room, turn the clock hands to the 1 and the 3. The secret door will pop open and you can gain entrance. And when you're looking for a change of scenery down the catacombs, you can simply pull the floor out, spin it around, and it becomes the Monster High pool for a pool party down in the catacombs.
And we also have a few numbers of doll clips where you can place dolls in many different places.
So you can pop them out and take her down to the pool for the party.
And there you have it, the Monster High Catacombs, ready for your goals adventures.
Thank you for joining us, and be sure to check out the movie Monster High Freaky Fusion.
M-O-N-S-T-E-R, monsters, monsters, yes we are.
Hey, Vegas got me falling apart. Dracula, stealing my heart. Claudine Wolfie make me holler at the moon.